Good day, beauty bosses. This is Felita Daniely, direct sales leader with new Avon LLC. I am coming out to you today with a video to help you find more customers. So in this video, I wanted to share with you a website that I've actually been a part of for probably the past year to a year and a half, but I never actually used it. But it just dawned on me not too long ago. I started getting these emails from the site, and I decided to log in probably about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I decided to log in just to kind of see what was going on. I was totally surprised to see all of the activity on this actual website. Now, you can actually go to the website, or either you can download the app for your cell phone. So if you have an Android, you can go to Google Play and just look for this Nextdoor. Look for the Nextdoor app. Now, if you have an iPhone, you can go to the App Store and just look for the Nextdoor app. But in the meantime, you can just go directly to the website. Just go to www.nextdoor.com. You are going to be amazed to see all of the how powerful this website is. And again, this is a private website specifically for neighborhoods. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see down here where it says community. You'll see here where it says for cities, for events, neighborhoods, and public agencies. Over here to the right is for businesses. So this is where you want to add your business, and you want to get yourself out there so that people can find out that you are the local representative in your area. Now, I actually have two pages. I actually have my personal page in which I actually advertise all of my community events and things that I do as well. I advertise that, and I also have put an ad in the classified section of the site as well. But so that people can find you, you want to make sure that you put your business page here as well. So all you would need to do is just click right here to add your business. Okay, so once you click on add your business, I've already put my business out here. So you'll see if you go to my specific area. I'm in the Georgia area. I'm in Atlanta area. But if you go to Georgia, you'll see my page. It's very simple to set up. It's nothing complicated at all. All you need to do is type in your business name. Okay, type in your business name and then type in the city or the city and the state, or either the zip, and then click here to find your page. Now, if you do not already have a page, it's not going to be found there, but you just have to go through the necessary steps. Just follow the steps. Find a logo that you're going to use. You can use your personal picture. I have found that people do not connect with you when you use a product photo or a product image. So always use your personal photo so that people can connect with you on a more personal level. Okay. Now, you can go right here where it says for cities. You can check here. I know that your city is here because there's over 151,000 neighborhoods listed here. You'll actually get the information of all of your customers, all of your neighbors within the area. So this is an opportunity for you to connect with people in your neighborhood. There's a video here that will walk you directly through it and show you all of the necessary how it actually works. You can target your message. You can reach actual residents in the area, and you can also pay for advertising. But for right now, I am not paying for any advertising. I am only using the free site. So I'm going to just log in and show you um, just how great this site is. So my computer is a little slow, so please forgive me for how slow it's moving. So all you're going to need to do is when you get to the website here is just go ahead and register. I'm going to go ahead and sign in because I am already listed here. Now, one thing I do need to mention to you is that when you sign up for your business page, you're going to need to have at least one person to recommend you before your page is actually discovered by other people. So if you have a neighbor in your area, just get that one neighbor to vouch for you and give you a recommendation. I do have 2 or 3 neighbors in my area who are my customers, and I was able to get them. So you can see here that I just posted today my upcoming community event that I have coming up on September the 17th. And I posted that right here in the events area. So if you have an event or something, most of the time they will advertise like garage sales. They will advertise like upcoming fall festivals that are coming up. Whatever it is type of event, and you want to participate in that event, then you just you check the events area. But now here is where you want to place an ad for your business. Now, I noticed since I have put mine out here, there has been another Avon representative who has put an ad out here as well. And that's fine. And but I just wanted to show you my ad. You can see here someone has a construction business, someone has a house cleaning business, somebody has a HVAC business. They're putting their business out here in the classified area. Okay, so I just wanted to just kind of go in here and show you this classified area here so that you can see if you have another business on the side, you can put your business out here. If you have something that you want to sell, if you're looking for a real estate agent, it's all listed here on Nextdoor. Okay, so this is a way for you to again be found by your neighbors in your area, and you can expand your area. You can go out to other different areas. If you don't want to stay just right in your area, you can go out to other areas as well. So when I click on the neighbors area here, you'll be able to see like some of my neighbors here. They are all listed here. And it gives you an option to message. I only have 22 neighbors right here in my subdivision, but you can actually send out an invitation to other neighbors in your community. You can send out invitations and it allows you to do so. So you can see here that I have 22 neighbors here. And if I wanted to invite more of my neighbors, all I would need to do is just click right there for the invite tab here. And once it goes to the invite, it will actually send out an invitation to other people in the neighborhood. That's if I have their personal information. Now, one way you can do it is, of course, if you have not watched my postcard video, please be sure to go and watch that postcard video. That's one way you can actually introduce yourself to the neighbors. Another way is you can just canvas your neighborhood. You can just order extra brochures and get out and canvas your neighborhood. Now, I realize that sometimes this is not safe to do in some of the neighborhoods that you are not familiar with. So you do want to use some safety precautions when it comes to actually going out into neighborhoods. Now, a lot of people are big on brochure book throws. I am not. I am not an advocate for book tossing. Okay, but that is a personal decision that you have to make for your own business. I can't tell you what not to do. I just know that for me, when it comes to the return on my investment of what I invested as far as brochures in the past, I personally don't get enough responses from doing book tossing. But you use your own personal discretion. So This is where you'll go to find all of your neighbors within your area. So these are neighbors that I can actually reach out to now, um, since I have their information here. So I'm going to reach out to all of these people here in my area to let them know that if they are interested in receiving a brochure, that I would be more than happy to drop off one to their homes. Okay. So I just wanted to share this really quick video with you. I thought that it was just an excellent way to be found by your local community. I recently got a customer. I got a customer on here yesterday, and she sent me a message and told me she saw my ad, and she sent me a message and told me that she was interested in a brochure. So I'm going to be dropping off her a brochure on today. So I hope that this information helps you in some way. So just go to the website and register. Just go to nextdoor.com. Go ahead and register for the site. Once you get there, click right here for the classifieds, and you want to place your ad here in the classified section. Okay, so I hope that this helps you. I hope that you're able to find some new customers by using this website. And thank you so much for watching. And if you have not already subscribed, please be sure to click on the subscribe button. And you know I like those thumbs up, so please be sure to give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate that as well. Okay, thanks again. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And until the next time, take care, take charge, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.